Welcome to Learning English Topics.
What is small talk? Small talk is a polite conversation about unimportant things, often between people who do not know each other well. You might use small talk when you first meet someone, maybe at a party, or when friends first introduce you. It's an important skill and easy to make mistakes. Today we're going to learn how to do it, and also how not to do it. So if you're ready, cue the video.
Hi James, it's ages since I last saw you. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks, Amy. What about you?
I'm very well. I see you've grown a beard since last time you were here. I like it.
Yes. I'm sorry I haven't seen you for so long. I've just been really busy.
I remember last time you were just starting a YouTube channel. How's that going?
Well, it's taking a while to build, but if I keep working on it, I'm sure it will gradually grow. In fact, that's why I'm here. I'm meeting someone who has asked for my help, and we are going to make a video at the same time.
Really? What's this video going to be about?
Small talk. The person I'm meeting, Colin, says he has problems with small talk, so I'm going to try and help him and make a video teaching others about small talk at the same time.
Maybe I can help again, like I did in the other video. Small talk is something I'm really good at. I mean, look at what's already happened. We've already started the video just with our conversation so far.
I think it would really help to have you in it.
Excuse me just a moment. Good morning. Can I help you?
Hi, I'm looking for James. He said he would meet me here.
I'm James. You must be Colin.
Yeah.
So, you said you have problems with small talk, Colin.
Yeah.
Well, it is an important social skill that everyone needs to master.
Yeah.
Many people struggle with it. Let's go through some common mistakes and then learn how to do it properly. The first thing I want to teach you is how to reply to questions. You see, if you just say yes or no, it just stops the conversation. If you had said yes, I really don't know how to do small talk, it would have given me a chance to give you some advice, and the conversation would have continued from there.
Oh, okay. I don't really know how to do this, small talk thing.
Good, that's much better. This is Amy. She's going to help us today. Why don't you try to start a conversation with her?
Oh. Right, okay. Hello, Amy. How much money do you earn?
Oh, no, you can't start like that.
Oh. Well, that's not really something we ask in small talk. Why don't you try again? Maybe something not so personal.
Oh, okay. Do you believe in ghosts?
I'm sorry?
That's a bit of a deep topic for small talk. Try to keep it light.
What's your biggest regret in life?
I think maybe we should go over some good small talk topics.
Yes, I think that might be a good idea. A great place to start is the weather. It's a very common topic.
It's, not raining today.
That's much better. But maybe it would be better to say, lovely day, isn't it? It sounds a little more positive.
Oh, a lovely day, isn't it?
Exactly. Another good topic is travel. You could say, I don't know this area very well. Are there any good places to visit?
I don't know this area very well. Are there any good places to visit?
Oh, yes. Actually, I went to the river the other day. It's really beautiful and...
Yes, thanks, Amy. Remember, we are just helping Colin to practice.
Sorry, I just got a bit carried away.
Anyway, that was much better, Colin. Great. Other good topics include sports, hobbies, weekend plans, food, and TV shows. You could ask, have you seen anything good on TV recently? Or, have you tried any good restaurants lately?
How about pets? Should I ask about people's pets?
Yes, good one. I think you're getting the hang of this.
I love dogs. Do you have any pets, Amy?
That's the spirit. Now let's practice a different small talk situation. Let's just imagine you have just come into the coffee shop and have never been here before. Now try and start a conversation with Amy.
Oh, okay. Good morning. This is a lovely coffee shop.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it. I don't think I've seen you here before.
No, I've just moved here, so I'm trying different places.
That's great. Have you found any favourites yet?
I hadn't until now. I think this could be my new favourite place.
I hope so. Maybe we will see more of you.
I think you're getting to be a real master of small talk, Colin.
Yes, he's doing really well. If you think more practice will help, I'm going to a party tonight. You could both come with me, and Colin could practice on some other people. What do you think?
Thank you, Amy. That would be really useful, I'm sure. Is it okay with you, Colin?
Yes, thanks, Amy. I look forward to it.
Okay, before you go, make sure I have your phone number, and I'll send the details later.
Okay. Colin, just remember what we talked about earlier. Keep compliments neutral. Don't be too personal. Stick to safe subjects like the weather. And if you run out of things to talk about, just say, "Please excuse me. It was nice chatting."
Okay, I'll try to remember all of that.
Oh, hi James. Colin, I'm glad you could make it.
Hi, Amy. So, do you like parties?
Yes I do.
That's an okay question, Colin. But it requires only a yes or no answer. Remember that ends the conversation. Try something more natural, like, how do you know the host?
How do you know the host?
Yes, that's much better, Colin. She's an old school friend. Let me introduce her. Emily! Emily! Come and meet Colin.
Hello, Amy. And James, when did you sneak in? It seems ages since I last saw you.
Emily, it's lovely to see you. I keep meaning to call you, but I've just been so busy.
Yes, so Amy has been telling me. You're still doing the YouTube thing then?
I am. And on that topic, I would like to introduce Colin. We are working on improving small talk together.
Hello, Colin. How is the small talk coming along?
Wow, you have beautiful eyes. Are you single?
I think he still needs some lessons, James.
That's too forward, Colin. Instead, try you have a lovely home.
You have a lovely home.
Thank you. I designed all the decorations myself.
I haven't tried the food yet. Is there something you recommend?
The cheese platter is amazing.
Good recommendation. Have you been to many parties like this before, Colin?
Not really. I get a bit nervous at these events.
That's normal. Just focus on asking simple, friendly questions like we practiced.
Oliver, I would like you to meet Colin. He's one of James's students.
Hi, nice to meet you. You look very strong.
Remember, Colin, don't be too personal.
Sorry, what do you do for work?
I'm a personal trainer. How about you?
Oh, I work in IT. Have you been on holiday recently?
Yes, I went to Spain last month.
Oh, lovely. Was the weather nice?
It was amazing. So warm compared to here.
Well done, Colin. You're getting much better at small talk. Now it's your turn. See if you can be a master of small talk by acing the quiz that's coming up now.